Creating an atmosphere is a lot more than just the fixtures, furniture, and walls around you. It's about creating moments in time. We here at SLG Lighting understand that, and so that's why we consider more than just the lumen output. We consider these moments in time under great quality lighting. Our cylinder series delivers more moments at a price that lets you focus on those moments and less on the budget headaches. This episode of What's on the Table, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the CLS cylinder series and show you what's memorable about it, and also why you should be seriously considering using these on a lot more of your design projects. Let's take a look. So this is our CLS series of cylinder lights. We've got them available, as you can see, in 6-inch, big round, 4-inch, and 3-inch. Available in black, silver, or white finishes, and of course, combinations of them in between. The CLS series strikes the perfect balance between spec grade lighting and something more like off-the-shelf common lighting you might find at like a Home Depot or Lowe's. So it gives you the best of both worlds. These are power selectable, CCT selectable, and optics distribution selectable as well. So these cylinders have a couple of secrets about them. As you can see, there's a rubber washer here, which is hiding the switch selectable power and switch selectable CCT options. So you can get the color range of 2700 to 3000 to 3500 to 4000 to 5000K, and your power settings of low, medium, and high. Make sure you check the spec sheet to know how many lumens each one of those is putting out. What's also hidden here is going to be the field selectable distribution. This is twist selectable by hand, so it's quite handy. So for you lighting people, you tech savvy people out there, this driver is a universal dimming driver, which means that it can work with ELV, triac, or 0 to 10 volt dimming, giving you plenty of options in your dimmers that you use. You have a preferred choice. We want you to keep using that choice. It is a fairly seamless housing, completely aluminum, even this washer inside, completely aluminum with a COB light engine. This gives you a beautiful quality light that's going to stand the test of time, and it's going to look much nicer. Mounting is pretty straightforward. We're going to offer surface mounted, or we're going to offer pendant mounting. So with any kind of pendant mounting, you're going to have your power feed. These connect easily together, and if you want to hide that feed, you get these hollow cables here. This helps with stability and also kind of provides a nicer look. Mounts will cover either a surface mounted junction box or a recessed mounted junction box, so we've got your back no matter what. With so many options and accessories and ways that you can use these lights, we understand that ordering sometimes can be a little tricky. So that's why we have our inside sales team fully trained and ready to help you out with every single one of these orders. They'll be there to double check your order, make sure you have everything that you need, and if you're ever unsure, hey, give us a call anytime. We're here for you. Basically, SLG is here as your full support system, ready to make you look like the lighting expert. We already know that you are. Our cylinder series balances form and function, all wrapped up in a great quality LED lighting fixture. Now, when you invest in the right lighting, you create moments that pay off for a lifetime. Here at SLG Lighting, we are dedicated to growing our Design XP line of design lighting. And I strongly encourage all the designers, all the lighting people out there, follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our newsletter, so that we can all do our part in making the world a brighter place. Hey, let's light places. SLG Lighting, your experience matters.